In this video, we're going to talk about 3 things that you need to know about LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn is a social media platform, but it's totally different from Facebook or TikTok since everyone is super serious on LinkedIn. Everyone comes to LinkedIn in order to find a job or find a business partner or to grow their business. That's why you won't see some funny cats pictures on LinkedIn, and all the content there is going to be for business purpose only. So when it comes to advertising on LinkedIn, since LinkedIn ads are actually expensive, they're super expensive, and you need to have a budget, you need to know what you are doing. That's why first thing that you need to know when you come to advertise on LinkedIn is who you want to advertise to. LinkedIn has an amazing tool for choosing targeting, and it has a lot of different options. You can target by industry, by company size, by seniority, by job function or job titles. You can target by different locations, cities, or areas. But since LinkedIn ads are super expensive, you need to know exactly who you want to reach. You can't just target all the United States or all the Canada and hope for the best. You need to lock it down with different targeting layers in order to reach the correct audience. That's why prior to advertising, do your research. See who your current customers are, who you want to reach. If you want to reach everyone, everywhere, you won't have a budget for that. Just split it to different countries, split it to different genders, split it to different industries, and even few different job titles. Your ideal audience size should be 50K on LinkedIn. Less than that, and you're just wasting your money if it's your first advertising campaign. Another thing that you need to know on LinkedIn is you need to have great creative. You need to optimize it because it's a business network. And as we said earlier, everyone comes there to do business. And if your ad is just gray and it doesn't really have any unique qualities or CTA's button or CTA button, no one will notice it. That's why you need your ad to be super attractive. Use bright colors like red, orange, or yellow. Use clear CTA and clear message in the copy in order to attract your audience. Be clear about what you are offering and don't try to sell your product or service right away. Try to explain to your audience what is it you are offering to them and what problem are you solving for them, and not just push your service into their faces. Last thing, but most important, is track your results. If you advertise it on LinkedIn and you send in traffic to your website or to your landing page, make sure you are tracking everything that is going on. You need to see who is visiting your website, what are they doing, and if they're leaving in any stage, you need to understand where and why in order to optimize your campaigns and make your results better. That's why make sure you have your tag installed from LinkedIn into your website or into your landing page. You can do it yourself. Just look on the internet how to do it. It's supposed to be easy. Or you can hire a developer. It's an easy task, but you absolutely must have it. Tracking your results is super important because by tracking your results, you'll be able to improve them. And it's always possible to improve your current results, even if your results are great as they are right now. By understanding these 3 key factors and doing your homework, you can improve your results from LinkedIn advertising drastically.